Hey, what's going on, guys? So you have a Fitbit Watch. Doesn't matter if you have a Fitbit Sense or Fitbit Versa or Fitbit Charge or the Inspire. Basically, you have an issue where your time is off. Okay, maybe it's off by 1 or 2 minutes forward or backward, maybe 10 minutes, maybe a couple hours. Maybe perhaps you went traveling abroad or another time zone. You switched a time zone, then you came back to your regular time zone, and again, you're still off like a couple minutes or a couple hours. Really, really easy to fix here. Now, take note that this Fitbit here is fixed. You see 621 here and 621 there. Let's just pretend that this is a couple minutes off. This is what I want you guys to do. Okay, you got to make sure that your phone and your Fitbit is connected. Go ahead and open up your Fitbit app. That's what the app here looks like. Tap on that and then just make sure you're on today here, and then on your avatar pictures on the top left hand side, go ahead and tap on that, and then you want to scroll down and you want to go under app settings. Okay, not account settings, you want to go under app settings, tap there, and then you want to go under time zone. Okay, go tap on time zone there, and then for instance my time zone is Los Angeles. Doesn't matter what your time zone is. What I want you guys to do is this now, okay? Go ahead and set automatically. I want you to turn that off. And now I want you to go to time zone, and I want you to pick any other time zone other than the time zone that you're in right now, okay? So just go ahead and choose another time zone. Like I'll pick this one here. Because what we're going to do is we're going to sync it to this time zone and sync everything, and then we're going to resync it back to the area that the time zone that you're actually living in. Okay, so I just choose this one here, and then what I'm going to do is just go back and then click on today down here, and then what you want to do is just slide down so we can sync it. So if we slide down like this, you can see it says syncing and refreshing. So let's go ahead and wait for that to change. You can see, I mean, both of them, it's 6:23 is LA time, but let's go ahead and sync it so this time here changes. Okay, so now you can see this one here says 8:23. Now what you got to do now is we're going to go back over here. Again, tap on your profile picture, your avatar, top left hand side. Scroll down. We're going to go again to app settings, and then go back to time zone, and then tap on time zone down here. Now go ahead and choose the actual time zone that you are currently living in, or that you're currently at. So let me go ahead and put mine back to Los Angeles. Okay, so here's mine, America, Los Angeles, PT for Pacific time. So let me tap on that. Now just go ahead down here and tap on today again down here. And now what I want to do is sync it. Okay, so right now I'm off 8:24 here, 6:24 here. Now I'm going to sync, so I'm just going to slide down, and it says refreshing. Now it's syncing and refreshing. So it gives a second, and it should match my exact time as on my phone. So give it a second. Here it says 8:24 still. Oh, there we go. Now it's 6:24. Now it matches. You guys should be up and running now. Good luck.